Hello and welcome to an Oracle Cloud Plus Training as a Service video snippet. Learn to use and configure Oracle's Fusion Cloud applications in minutes, not hours. Hello and welcome to a quick tutorial explaining how to enable different offerings or features within an offering within Fusion Cloud applications. So for this tutorial, we're going to log in as an implementer ID. We're going to use the procurement implementer. And when we get logged in, we're going to take the quickest route. Usually we would take the settings and actions menu because we can go straight into setup and maintenance. However, this is a little bit different. We're going to go to the back end, but we're not going to set up a maintenance. We're going to go to an option called My Enterprise. When we're inside My Enterprise, we'll select Offerings. This brings up the available offerings, just a little bit different look than FSM or Functional Setup Manager or Setup and Maintenance. And we want to find a particular offering. So let's say in this example, we want to turn on the ability to associate a master contract with purchasing documents. So that's going to be in procurement. Once we select procurement, it changed from comp management to procurement. We could look at the new features here. This particular feature, I believe, came out in 20B. So we can look at the opt-in. If we had not enabled this offering, we could do so since we've already enabled it. Now we're just going to try to add some new functionality or what they call features. So we'll give it a second here for those listing to come up. Now you can see all of the different functional areas. And then with them have features here, or you could again just go into setup and maintenance. Now, in this instance, or this example, we can't go into setup and maintenance because we haven't enabled, let's say, the ability to associate a master contract. So we even need to assess where we think that functionality lies. And so that sounds a lot like self-service procurement to me. And that's enabled. So now we want to go look at the features within self-service procurement. And we could have gone back to the features on the last page if we wanted to see what the features were. And so now in this instance, it doesn't look like I've got the right area. So I could say, all right, maybe that's a little too detailed. And so one of the things you can do is back out a level. So self-service procurement is a fairly small listing of features. And so maybe I was too narrow. So I'm going to go scroll up. I'm going to look for something that says procurement or purchasing. Maybe it's I could probably go here, but look at purchasing. And so now I'm going to try to see if my feature exists within purchasing or the purchasing features. And so when I read all the way down this list of features, I can see here, associate a master contract with a purchasing document is here. Great. What I want to do is make sure this box is checked. That's going to allow the feature to be enabled. When that's done, I'm done. So you can see a little bit of how to, or where to go to enable new features. You can see how to see those new features. And then once you see that feature exists, how to go and find out where the ability to enable it is. And then you can go into setup. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.